In a cozy kitchen, a pet lover is preparing special meals for their beloved animals. A cat's bowl gets filled with nutritious kibble and fresh fish, while the rat's bowl features a delightful mix of grains and crunchy veggies. As the cat watches intently, its tail flicks back and forth in excitement, while the rat's tiny nose twitches in anticipation, both ready for their delicious homemade meals. With love and care, the owner blends together the finest ingredients, creating a feast that brings joy to both pets. The cat savors each bite, while the rat enjoys its treat with enthusiastic squeaks. After their satisfying feast, the unlikely duo frolics around the room, their bond growing stronger, while a charming storage container sits nearby, ready to hold more nutritious meals crafted with love. In this harmonious home, the owner embraces both pets, showcasing a unique connection, while the kitchen serves as a testament to the owner's commitment to their health and happiness through thoughtful feeding.